largest festival.
Yes! 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 We are the winner! Let's go!
The vibes are absolutely spectacular. This is something that we need every year. It's very nice seeing the community get together.
It's lots of fun.
Everywhere I go, you feel welcome.
You can get community from all around the world, Muslims from all around the world.
I need you to lift me high, so high, so high.
I'm feeling excited.
All of these dresses are the traditional Palestinian dress.
The joy of the little children and just the excitement of everyone that comes. So thank you so much to everyone that has already come.
Eat your vegetables.